Remove unused variables in Python source code. The question: is there a straightforward algorithm for figuring out if a variable is used within a given scope? In a Python AST, I want to remove all assignments to variables that are not otherwise used anywhere within a given scope. Details. Motivating example. In the following code, it is obvious to me, a human, that _hi_anon_var_1 is unused, and therefore the _hi_anon_var_1 equals none statements can be removed without changing the result. Bonus version. Extend this to lookups with string literals as keys. In this example, I would expect _Hicks_lecture25x to be eliminated as unused, because _Hicks_lecture25 is local to age, so _Hicks_lecture25x is essentially the same thing as a local variable. I would then expect _Hicks_lecture25 itself to be eliminated once there are no more references to it. From what I can tell, this is somewhat of an edge case, and I think the basic algorithmic problem is the same. Definition of used. Assume that no dynamic name lookups are used in the code. A name is used if any of these are true in a given scope. It is referenced anywhere in an expression. Examples include an expression in a return statement, an expression on the right-hand side of an assignment statement, a default argument in a function definition, being referenced inside a local function definition, etc. It is referenced on the left-hand side of an augmented assignment statement, i.e. it is an aug target therein. This might represent useless work in a lot of programs, but for the purpose of this task that's okay and distinct from being an entirely unused name. It is non-local or global. These might be useless non-locals or globals, but because they reach beyond the given scope, it is okay for my purposes to assume that they are used. Please let me know in the comments if this seems incorrect, or if you think I'm missing something. Examples of used and unused. Example 1, unused. Variable I in f is unused. Example 2, unused. Variable x in f is unused. The name x does appear in G, but the variable x in G is local to G. It shadows the variable x created in f, but the two x names are not the same variable. Variation. If G has no parameter x, then x is in fact used. Example 3, used. Variable I in f is used. Example 4, used. Variable occam in silly_map and silly_sum is used in both examples.
The solution below works in two parts. First, the syntax tree of the source is traversed and all unused target assignment statements are discovered. Second, the tree is traversed again via a custom ast.noTransformer class, which removes these offending assignment statements. The process is repeated until all unused assignment statements are removed. Once this is finished, the final source is written out. The ast_traverser class. Putting it all together. Output samples. Contents of test _name _assign.py. Output. Contents of test _name _assign.py. Output. Contents of test _name _assign.py. Output. Contents of test _name _assign.py. Oopshot.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.